This is the 304 stainless steel meat injector syringe, a handy tool for adding flavor and moisture to meats before cooking. It features a durable stainless steel design with a 2-ounce capacity, making it great for injecting marinades, melted butter, seasoning blends and sauces into turkey, brisket, pork, chicken, and other cuts of meat. The stainless steel construction gives it a sturdy feel and is designed for repeated use during grilling, smoking, or roasting sessions. I like that this kit includes 3 different needles, so you can use thinner marinades or thicker seasoning mixtures depending on what you're cooking. Whether you're preparing a smoked brisket or a holiday turkey, the different needle options make it more versatile. The included cleaning brushes are also really convenient because they help clean the injector and needles thoroughly after use. Plus, the spare O-rings are a nice addition for maintenance and long-term usability. The ergonomic syringe design makes it comfortable to grip while injecting, and the measurement markings help with portion control and consistency while cooking. Overall, if you enjoy BBQ, smoking meats, or preparing flavorful roasts at home, this stainless steel meat injector kit is a practical addition to your cooking tools.